You are sitting on the single most powerful tutor in human history, and you are using it like a search bar. Right now, most people type one lazy sentence into ChatGPT or Gemini and wonder why they don't understand a thing after 5 minutes. That's not AI's fault. That's a prompting problem. Today, I'm giving you 10 exact prompt templates, copy-paste done, that turn any AI model into a personal tutor that explains, quizzes, motivates, and drills you until it actually sticks. By the end of this video, you will never open a textbook the same way again. Let's go. Why this matters? Here's the problem with how we were taught to learn naturally. Read, highlight, and hope. That's the old system most of us grew up with. AI breaks that completely. It can explain something 10 different ways until one of them clicks for your brain, but only if you know how to ask. So let's go through all 10 techniques, one at a time. Grab a pen, or better just pause and steal these prompts. Technique 1, explain like I'm 5. Whatever you are studying, quantum physics, tax law, Python, if you can't explain it simply, you don't actually understand it yet. So make AI do that for you first. What's the prompt? Explain. Now you insert the concept or topic as if you were talking to a 5-year-old. Use simple language and everyday examples. That's it. This strips away all the jargon and gives you the real bare bone idea. Then you can layer complexity back on. Foundation first, details later. Technique 2. Examples and analogies. Your brain doesn't remember abstract definitions. It remembers stories and comparisons. Prompt. Explain. You insert the topic using 3 different real-world examples or analogies that will be very easy for a beginner to understand. 3 is the magic number here because one analogy might not land for you, but one of the 3 almost always does. Technique 3, and this one is underrated, motivation. Knowledge isn't the problem for most people. Consistency is. The prompt, I'm struggling to stay motivated while learning. Insert the subject or the skill. Give me 5 practical strategies to boost my motivation and maintain consistency in my studies. Now use AI as your accountability coach, not just your encyclopedia. Technique 4, role play. This is how you go from knowing information to actually being able to use it under pressure. What's the prompt? Let's role play a scenario where I am and you are. Insert another role. We'll practice. Insert skill situation. Begin the scenario. I'll respond accordingly. How does it mean? Studying for a job interview. Role play the interviewer. Learn a language. Role play ordering coffee in Harry. Technique 5, study plan. Stop guessing what to study next. Let AI map the entire journey for you. What's the prompt? Create a detailed study plan for learning. Insert the subject skill over the course of, insert the time frame. Include specific goals, resources, and milestones. That's it. This turns a giant, overwhelming subject into a checklist you can actually follow day by day. Technique 6, quiz. Reading is passive. Testing is active. And active is what actually builds memory. What's the prompt? Generate a 10-question quiz on, insert the topic, including a mix of multiple choice, true, false, and short answer questions. Provide answers and brief explanations for each question. Do this after every study session. It's the single fastest way to find out what you don't actually know yet. Technique 7, mind map. Some of us are visual learners, and text alone just doesn't cut it. Create a detailed mind map for the topic. Insert the topic, include main branches, sub-branches, and key concepts or idea for each. Ask the AI to output this in a structured outline and you can literally sketch it out or drop it into a mind mapping tool. Technique 8, and this one feels like cheating. Expert roundtable. What's the prompt? Simulate a roundtable discussion with me and 3 experts in a particular field, discussing their different viewpoints and any potential areas of agreement or disagreement. This is beautiful. You get multiple perspectives on a hard topic instantly. No flying to a conference, no waiting for a panel discussion, just instant structured debate. You can use it to structure yourself to have a team of board members. You pick the people you want online, the best of them, mention their names, and tell AI to make itself like a board member. And each topic is handled by each of those board members you placed. Maybe Mark Zuckerberg, maybe Dan Martel, maybe whoever it is. And it will deliver for you seamlessly. Technique 9, mental associations. This is for the stuff that's just plain hard to memorize. List, dates, formulas. Prompt. Help me create mental association or neuronic devices to remember key information about. Now insert the topic. You will remember. Our brains are built to remember weird, vivid stories way better than raw facts. Use that. Technique 10. And honestly, the most underused. Improve what you have. This isn't about learning something new. It's about making what you already created better. Here's the prompt. Here's something I've written, created or produced. Put it there. Insert your work. Please provide specific suggestions to improve it, focusing on maybe the aspect you want to improve on it. Explain why each change will make it better. That's it. Maybe it's an essay, a code, business pitch, even the script. This prompt turns AI into a personal editor that also teaches you why the changes will work or why they won't work. So you get better every single time. Let's run it back real quick. 1. Explain like I'm 5. 2. Examples and analogies. 3. Motivation. 4. Role play. 5. Study plan. 6. Quiz. 7. Roadmap. 8. Expert roundtable. 9. Mental association. And 10. Improve what you have already. Those are 10 prompts, 1 AI model, infinite tutor. And here is the thing. None of this matters if you don't actually use it. So before you scroll away, comment below and tell me which one of these 10 you are trying first. And what skill or subject you are using it on. I read every single one and I want to see what you build. And if this showed you just how much AI can do when you prompt it right, that's exactly what this channel is about. Every week I break down real AI tools, real prompts, and real workflows that make you faster, sharper, and honestly, a little more dangerous with this stuff. So hit subscribe button, turn on notification, because the next video is going to be built directly on this. I'm going to show you how to chain these prompts together into one automated learning system using Claude. I will teach you AI.